Thirikari nĩ harĩrĩirie gũthangania ngucanio cia gonya cia gĩkĩro gĩa kerĩ mũrurumo-inĩ wa mbere wikendi kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nyayo gũkũ Nairobi. Ministry ya mathako ĩkĩhũthĩra makĩria ma ciringi mirioni 100 gũtigĩra mbĩtĩka ici nĩ cieharĩrĩria wega. Tiga South Africa, Kenya nĩguo bũrũri ũngĩ wonete kanya ga gũthangania ngucanio ici gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Africa.
Close Mombasa Road partially and Langata Road. For Mombasa Road, we will be closing it partially between Lusaka roundabout and Nyara roundabout.
15% was mainly, of course, ensuring that all the teams arrived safely and were here and checked into accommodation, and then matter security, whether we were going to be able to, how they were going to be able to take care of the event.
Really looking forward to a fantastic tournament. I'm reliably informed that it's a sellout. So traditionally Kenyan Corner on the 7th Circuit brings a strong, fun party atmosphere. And
we are at the verge of a great moment in Kenya's sporting history. We gather here at the Nyayo National Stadium to officially launch the HSBC 7th Division 2 at the Nairobi League. With the exception of South Africa, Kenya is the first African nation to host a 7 series rugby tournament of this scale and magnitude.
Starters of